Welcome to Indus Public School's digital learning series. Today, we're taking you on a step-by-step journey into deep learning, one of the most exciting fields of the future. Step 1. Learn Python. It's the most popular and student-friendly programming language for AI. Step 2. Build your math foundation. It powers your ability to understand how models learn. Step 3. Learn the basics of machine learning, from regression to classification. Step 4. Neural networks mimic the brain, and they're the heart of deep learning. Step 5. Use powerful tools like TensorFlow and Keras to build models without starting from scratch. Step 6. Start building real models that recognize images, analyze patterns, and more. Step 7. Apply your knowledge in real projects. This is where growth happens. Step 8. The world of AI is always changing. Stay sharp by learning continuously. At Indus Public School, we build thinkers and creators of tomorrow. Like, share, and subscribe for more learning journeys.